Want to give your videos a voice without actually using your own? Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the text-to-speech feature in Capcut PC, making it super easy to add voiceovers to your projects. First, open up Capcut and either start a new project or open an existing one. Once you're in your project, locate the text option in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen, click on it, and you will see multiple options. Select a text and type in the text you want Capcut to speak. Now that you have your text, click on the text-to-speech button, which can be found on the right side of the screen under the text tab. A menu with voice options will appear here. You will see many voices to choose from. Experiment to find the voice that best fits your video's tone and style. You can always change it later. After selecting your voice, click the Start Reading button. Capcut will now process your text and generate the audio voiceover. You'll see a loading bar indicating the progress. Once completed, you'll see a new audio track appear on your timeline containing the generated speech. You can now adjust the volume, move it around, trim it, and edit it just like any other audio track. And just like that, you've added a voiceover to your video using Capcut's text-to-speech feature. This is a fantastic way to create tutorials, add narration, or simply give your videos a unique touch. Don't forget to subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks. Happy editing!